No, sir.
I am Dr. Pratik Sawant. Today I am standing in front of you to represent the doctors of GMC, which includes the students, interns, residents, all the IMA, MSN, the consultants, and all the faculty. This is not just about any particular group, but affects us Goans as a whole. We, the doctors of GMC, strongly condemn the abuse of the verbal abuse of our own colleague that happened in emergency medicine and trauma department casualty on Saturday by the honorable minister. What happened was a deeply hurtful event to the whole community of doctors across the state and beyond. We also have put forth our request to the Dean of GMC to file an FIR against the videography and photography which was allowed in the campus against the Supreme Court ruling.